Hello. Good morning. Today it's going to be some game dev. Let me turn down the music on my end. Today's question is, what's a game console that you would have loved to develop a game for? That is today's question. So, yeah, that's gonna be, feel free to answer. I will probably answer later. But for now, I keep forgetting my timer. My Pommel Droid timer. I keep forgetting it. I need to quit forgetting it. In today's stream, I will be working on Legend of Faune, Fauna, something like that. And it's not actually a game, it is an asset pack. And the asset pack contains a character and some other assets. And I also included another public domain that's called Zelda-like, but it's still a ton of fun to use. Both have been extremely fun to use, but now I would like to work on some quality of life stuff, because this is what happens when I start up the game. I'm gonna open it up. It's one player. I would have to have changed it after starting the game, and I don't want to do that. I don't want players to do that. So what we're going to do is we are going to change it. We're going to change that. That is going to be the first thing on my list today. So let's get started. First, I will go up to here. And when I go to the script, I will definitely at least comment that out. So what I will also do is I will also do global.show. And what I will probably do is global.show player to controls. And I will do show player 1 controls. And then what I will do is I will go to global, and I will probably look at the nodes. Probably control Faune. No. Not that one. Pop-up menu. Pop-up menu ID pressed. I'm pretty sure that's what I have to look at. Just double checking something. Alright. So on that one. If pause equals true, Then do the same here. Now, because it's not technically paused, what I will have to do is I will have to I'll have to fix something alongside that. So let's do another function. Show player 1 controls. Might be control faune dot visible. Oh, I should probably do a B. And have if B, then wait, no, player 1 controls. Then grab focus. There. That might work. But also there. This should work. So it will show player 1 controls if it's just one player. And because it is set to true, it'll grab focus. Or what I could do, make things easier for me, I could do that. Something like that. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. And then what I might do is like player 2 controls that's visible equals false. Do something like that, I think. I think that might work. Let's try it. Nope. Okay. Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. Expected one argument. I forgot about that. It happens. There we go. Haha. I might have to change this though, because this kind of looks a little weird. Let's see. Confirmation dialogue. Let's see what we can do with that. Like, why can't I put it down here? Dialogue? Are you sure you want to quit? Let's auto wrap. I feel like I should probably also override something, but I'm not sure. I mean, either that or maybe that's not it. Let's see. Title outline size. Not quite. Hello! Hello, Daniel. How are you today? Today's icebreaker question is, what's a game console you would have loved to develop a game for? Let's see. What about dialogue? I'm an adorable nerd. Ah. This just in, folks. I'm a nerd. Let's see. If it's not going to be down here and accepts dialogue. I'm not quite sure. Show default? No. What about fonts? Fonts. Oh, really? Okay. Oh, boo. Okay. Yes. No. There we go. That'll be a good change. Let's see. What about fonts? I would like to have just a font outline of one thickness. Can I please do that? Border. Pop-up menu. This accepts dialogue. I need to find colors. Let's see. Let's see, accept dialogue, border color. This one. There. I think. Content margins. Ooh. That might be what I need to. Let's see. Ah, yikes. The bottom. There. I wish I could change this part right here. Unless maybe are you sure you want to quit? That might be better. Instead of the dialogue here. And then we can change the content margins, at least for that. But not this, because maybe I can make it half. Let's make it 4. Yeah, that'll work. I can't help it, I love rock. Maybe not the Maybe not the pop-up menu. Options button, definitely. There we go. And then when we get to play, oh, no. There we go. There's my boy. Ah, my boy, help! How do I swing? I forgot how to swing sword. How do I swing sword? How do I attack? How do I attack? I forgot. Alrighty then. Let's see. Xbox X. There should be a keyboard attack. There we go. What else? What else? What else do I need? It was kind of weird that the enemy just kind of really didn't do much. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up. I'm forgetting about that. Okay. Hold on. Let's do that. I can't even lift. Bruh, do you even lift? Oh no. Well, time to fix player 2? Maybe player 1? Let me double check player 1. Or rather, yeah. Let's see, can I lift? That's not what I had in mind. That's... Oh no! That's not what I had in mind. Okay. Let's do some bug squashing. Let's see. Let me think. Window break. Window break. Oh wait, Oh, and you're smashing the window. What's up, gamers? What in the world did I? Am I late? Nah, not super late. Squashing bugs. I'm squashing bugs. Where's my box? I have. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, ad break time. Ad break time. Time to drink some water. Oh gosh. Stretch your arms, stretch your back, stretch your hands. I have an idea for next Sunday stream. I have an idea for next Sunday stream. I don't want to say it quite yet. I'll wait until the actual break. This is just an ad break. Hydrate. I need to hydrate. And we are back. Let us do this. Where is... Let me double check. Global? Yes, okay. Oh, wait. Meh. Nah. There we go. Goodness gracious. Okay. There we go. There we go. That should be one bug squashed. Good thing I'm squashing these bugs now. There we go. Haha. See, squashing bugs is easier here than it is in other programming languages, other engines. Alright, that's one. Oh, no. Let's see. attack. Yes, Sam. Thank you. Thank you. Glad I'm grateful that you're stopping by. I'm bug squashing. Oh. That makes sense. No! And another one down, and another one down. Another one bites dust. You won't get those two on your second screen. Ha 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 ha. Wahahaha. You know what? I want my next game to be cozy 3D. Full-blown 3D. But my issue is I can't model with beans, so I really want to practice modeling humans. Yes, my next game dev project. I want my next game dev project to finally jump the third dimension for real this time. Yes. I think I squashed that bug. Let's see how many other bugs I need to squash now before we get started on improving the cave. Let me find an enemy. Yeah, is it? Yep. Where's my enemy? Where is the enemy? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? You know what I could do? I could instead of where is it though? Wow, modeling humans. So here's the thing, I don't want to do high polygon humans, I want to do low poly. And I have a hard time with low poly in general, but I really want to practice low poly humans. I have done low poly dragons before. Hold on. Let me open up some stuff. Oh! No, not that. No. Maximals? No Maximals. Hold on. What did I do? How do I change? Yeah, hold on. Nope. Block bench. Wait. Hold on. How do I change the viewpoints? Because I don't want it to be like this. Ah! Ah! I can rotate though, I guess, right? Oh. Not that! The whole thing! That's fine. I did this myself. I'm planning on using block bench. How do you animate that? Without Maximo, you'll spend 150,000 hours to animate a human? Hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you what I did. If I can get it to how I want it to look. View. Is it view? Head. Ah. Preview. Angles. Oh, there we go. I turned off orthographic. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I have a walking animation. I have a walking animation. Watch. Whoop. Cancel. Very basic for now, but... I tried. I tried. It's not great, but it's better than nothing. Plus, I can export the animation to Godot, and I get to play around with it some more in Godot to, you know, actually do the animations. It looks a little bit janky, which is unfortunate, but oh well, it happens. Alright, stop walking. Stay right there. Ah. How do I make it stop? There. Alright. But yeah, with Blockbench, I get to make low poly humans, low poly animations and stuff, and maybe I can make a cozy low poly farming game. Not again! Quit turning on orthographic, please! Alright. Anyway, back to Godot. I mean, I do have a low poly mannequin, but I want to fix the head. I would really like to fix the head. Let's see. If I do a 3D game, you have to do these sprites like Doom. Yeah! Oh, a 2.5D platformer would be really cool to do. I can imagine doing a 2.5D platformer with 2D characters and 3D environments like that. I think that would be really cool. Okay, so oh, imagine if I did a low poly character from this game. That would be cool. I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh, right, enemy. How about... What is... Oh, okay. So, what I would like to do is I would like to make another timer. But if I remember, you've already done 3D games. I've done one, sort of, but it's really, really bad. And I do not like it. I wonder if I already have it. I wonder if I have it on here. I could check later. But I do not like. I do not like the thing. Timer monitoring. Area 2D. Function no monitor. I'll make a function for turning it on and off. How long is invincibility for the characters? Where's take damage? There it is. Timer dot start. How long is the timer? 3 seconds. Okay. 3 seconds. Let's see if that'll work. Got this. Oh, no. Oh, no. What is... Well, that's a bug. It's a bug. Let's see. Oh, wait! I forgot to use function. Duh! Duh! Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious me. Let's see. Aha! 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 It works! It works! It works! Alrighty then. Where is player 1? No. Maybe it's global. Loading. I think I should do a loading instead of pause. I think that will be better. And then you can do some overworld work. Rims. Let's have it set to here. And oh my goodness, no. And have it set to 334. Wow! Open world! Yeah. Wah! Stop it! Not just the camera, silly. And have the camera minimum over here. -4.5, -7.2. That's already pretty good. And then when we play, oh, that's not what I had in mind. What? What? Oh wait. Wait. I understand. Why did I? There. I don't know why my phone was on vibrate. My phone should not be on vibrate when I'm streaming. Alright. I'll do one last test. Hold on. That'll work. But I think the Z might be a bit weird for the enemies. Oh. That should be a bit more, though, I'd say. Oof, you're back. Hello, back. Give me -520. Let's do that. Oop. And now we could do break. What's this? Rock. I'm just kidding. This is the game I'm working on, Legend of Faune. And it's break time. It's break time. Now let me check something real quick. Let me close this briefly. Save and close. How's that going? It's going really good, actually. That is not the project that I had in mind. Don't I have Zoe's? Is it 3D game? Why is it in that window? Nope. That's not it either. I don't know where my game is. Might be in my... You broke 3 of my windows! Hello, Kumars! Hello, hello! It is break time. It is break time. I think my project is on I think it's on my... So what are we doing exactly? I am making a game and it's called Legend of Faune. Or is it Faune? Or Faune? I am not quite sure. But it is not actually a game, it's an asset pack, and I'm making a game with the assets. Let me link the original asset pack at least. At least the original asset pack. Because anybody can make a game with this. Interface looks like read.engine. It's Godot. It's normal Godot. It's normal Godot. It's not the it's not the fork. It's regular Godot. It's on Steam. So I'm able to get the most stable version. I'm actually not sure what the difference is between Redot and Godot. The parent engine. Yeah, you know what? Let me Google that real quick. But also link the... Gotta fix my windows with the dragon scale. Let me look up. There's also this one that I'm also using for my game as well. Okay, so apparently dragon scales are harder than I thought. The hammer just breaks! Redox versus Godot. I love Godot and its forks. I haven't really checked out the forks for Godot quite yet. Maybe one day I will, but... It's open source. Blah 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 blah. What about... Yeah. Hold on. Okay, so if I was to make a read.dot game, I would have to share the source code if I distribute the game. But I might want to make an open source project one day, so I might use read.dot. use read.dot end up doing a source code an open source project one day. And I might want to. I might want to. Can't see anything through the windows anymore. Blah! But I think the kind of open source project that I would do is something cozy. I would love to do a cozy game that's free and open source one day. So that's what I might do, but that won't be until much later down the road. I want to finish some other projects first. But also ad break time. I should probably hydrate some more anyway. It's ad break time, so we're doing a bit of a stretch here too. Oh my goodness. Chat, if I was to get one of those motion capture games, well, wait. If I was to have one of those motion capture gear and stuff, I would love to do a Ring Fit Adventure stream. I think that would be so much fun. And we're back! We'll do another working thing. Whatever. Okay. I'm talking about the motion capture gear stuff. Yeah, actually Godot, I looked it up and an article said that Godot was MIT, but the Redot is GPL licensed. So I would have to share the source code of my Redot games. Close all tabs. Bah! We're starting from scratch. Alright, so what's up with door? What is up with door? I just declare a location? Declare VOD location? Why? Oh, okay. You wanted to tell me something yesterday, but you forgot, so you'll tell it here. Really? Huh. Maybe that article was wrong then. Oh well. Then I might use Godot for my... I don't know. I'm not sure! Ah! Forks and stuff. You graduated? Oh, you're turning indie? I'm just kidding. No! Ah! But anyway, omedeto! Omedeto! Can I put here? I want to put it here! Wait. Embedding options. Can I? Nah, whatever. Oh, wait. Wait. Why? Why does that happen? Ah! Okay. It depends on... Okay, if I was to make an open source project, it would be a cozy farming sim. Oh. Gross. Where's my character? No. Where's control? There we go. There we go. The only regret is you didn't get to sing on stage. Well, you can sing more when you turn indie. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay, so for those that are not in the know of VTuber culture, you'll see his VS Code with Godot. It's more comfortable for me that way. Well, that makes sense. I understand. I have used VS Code before, or was it Codium? I like Codium better. I like my FOSS, full blown FOSS, and Codium is full blown FOSS. But now I can start streaming as being animated PNG tuber. Yeah. Oh, I messed up there. Yeah. An animated PNG tuber. So for those that are not in the know about VTuber culture, when you graduate, that means you have stopped your streaming activities as your current persona. Sometimes that means you're just gone, but other times it means that you go indie or you go to a VTuber cartel. So whenever people talk about graduation, regardless of what they're actually doing, I end up thinking I end up thinking of that concept, that part of it. No, congrats. Congratulations! Omedetou! Omedetou is congratulations in Japanese. I'll definitely need to fix the town. And the cave. Fix the town, fix the cave. Add some, let's see. Oh, is that what it meant? Uh-huh. Omedetou gozaimasu is the polite form of omedetou. And omedetou is congratulations. Not to be confused with arigato, which is thank you. That's the case. Did I suppose I got postdoctorate in VTubing? But yeah, anyway, I have used VS Code in RenPy, but I think I switched to Codium for a more complete open source experience. At least for a different project that I'm working on. But it's been a while since I've worked on the project. We're both really busy. My colleague and I. Let's see. Town. 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 You shared your graduation to a jellyfish girl stream earlier, but her response was very late. Oh, that's a shame. Alright, so what I want to do, I want to be able to go back to the overworld, but maybe not quite yet. Let's see. Ground. 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 Hello, ground. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Alright, so let's see. Castle, door tiles. Hold on, let me think. I want on ground. I think to keep things consistent, I will go to overworld. Sometimes you forget not all streamers read chat. Yeah. Let's see. Overworld. Oh, no. I just... I have an idea. So we're gonna do it on the ground, and we're going to fix up this. Let me look at the trees. You're going to do trees. We're gonna have every time I do this, I forget how to do it. Setup? No. Rendering, terrain, physics. Aha! Here we go. I felt like a jerk just because they didn't read yours. Oh. There we go. But I do hope that the next chapter in your life, whatever that may be, is a good one. That's it, so small and crowded. Are all assets like this? No, this is just a pixel game. This is just a pixel game. Pixel games are a lot more. They're a lot tinier. For example, let me look at sprites. Let's look at one from the player. Push. This is 32 by 32. I need to fix something with player 2. Hold on. I need to fix an animation, I think. That's not it. Not player 2. Not player 2. But sure. Stay up. Let's see. 12? This should be 12. "51 frames per second, dude! What a weird thing." No. Excuse me. Some assets are 32 by 32. I would love to make a 32 by 32 game, but I need to master my pixel art first. I am working on a game for Vercon 32 though. I need to keep working on it though. Vercon 32 is a 32-bit virtual console. Alright. So, let's see. On the ground. Let's do paint. Let's do this. Meticulous! Meticulous! Can I tell you something? I'm feeling a little self-conscious. I wonder if I can lend your ear. No, you may not take my ears! I use them to listen with. I'm sorry. I can't help it. It's okay if it's not allowed in here. If it is not family friendly, then there. Except that it just feels bad with myself. Oh. Let's see. Oh, right. I forgot. Pause. Probably just on Discord. Okay. Hold on. Well, I'm using my keyboard. What in the world is maximum? Jeez. What in the world is minimum? Jeez. Alright, let's see. Player 2, help me out here. We can do... Transform. Script for town. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. We need to fix that. Ugh. Okay. Let's see. Go back to... Okay, we'll do... That. Guess for the stream only allow happy thoughts. I guess. I don't know. Only I allow. Only I allow drama. Only I. Only I may talk of drama. And by drama, I mean Nintendo, Bishoujo, Neji Sanji. Game is looking pretty great. Thank you! Should the other guy be following you? That's a good idea! I like that idea, but I don't want to work on that quite yet. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do some, I would like to eventually, but I would want to work on some of this stuff first. I want to work on a polish a little bit. If that makes any sense. Let's see. Hold on, that wasn't the plan. That is the plan. But I want to work on some other stuff first. Let's see. Found out. Right here. 6:18. Seven, 6, 7. Maybe right here. Negative 430. I guess. Will there be villagers to interact? I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I'm not quite sure yet. Pause is P. Pause is P. Oh no. What? 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 Let me quickly get up here. What? Ha. Ha. I'm confused. What would happen if you feed the dragon steak? Try it out. They get experience points. More experience than they would if it was oh, wait a minute. More! I mean, more, please. Oh, I think I know the problem. I think I know what my problem is. Let's try this. That barely goes up. Yeah, that was a little weird, but it works. That's the best part. Oh, yeah. Pause. Pause is P. P. Come on. Well, at least that works. At least the max works. See, this is the same sprite as the other guy. As I need to change that too. Oh no. Yeah, the shopkeeper is the same as... Okay. The shopkeeper is the very same one as... same sprites as the player 2. So I am not sure. I'll have to find another 16-bit character that's public domain and open game arts that can replace him. And then we could do, you know, some of that fun stuff. Alright. Town. Let's increase. Let's add some more water. Let's add some more water. There we go. That'll work. The shopkeeper is the exact same sprite, so I would have to find out things. And maybe eventually I could do doors and go inside different ones and have dialogue, but not quite yet. I'm working on the basic puzzles and gameplay loop and stuff. So we're not at that point yet. Not gonna lie, this is one odd level. Yeah. Let's see. Hold on. I want to fix something real quick. Because it was showing an error before. Alright, no errors. Awesome, awesome. Alright. Now, cave. Cave. Looks like we don't need this. Unless we do. Let's go to Overworld. Is the hard part of coding understanding or getting it to work? I think the hardest part is getting it to work. Oh, that was weird. Ah! No! Get away! See, that's weird. That's weird. That's weird right there. So, maybe this. Can't throw the box. I'm actually not sure how that would work. The thing is, the box is a static body, which means it stays put. While the Well, the characters and enemies and such are kinematic bodies. Yes. Next Saturday stream, continue baseball. Yes. Yes, baseball. Baseball. Alright. Hello, sir. Hello. I would like baked potato. I'm just kidding. Baseball season. Yes. Alright, this looks much better now, though. Like, look at this. Look at this. I just had a weird idea. I wonder if this... I wonder if the sprites are compatible with Game Boy Advance. Alright, time for an ad break! Wait, it's missing that oomph. It's missing oomph. Stretch. Stretch, everybody. It's also missing music, but I do that off stream. What did it say? Ad break? Oh, loading. It said loading. Saw a trophy just now in Twitch chat. What was that? I'm not sure. Probably that you've been chatting the most or something. I don't know. The most? Yes. At least in this stream. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. I didn't even know there were trophies on Twitch, to be honest. Can I read it? No. Nah, I can't read. Oh man, imagine if there were trophies in game engines. I wonder how many I would have done, really. Let's see. Wow, what in the world was up with that? Okay. What's next? What's next is cave. Cave. Oh boy, what in the world? No tile. What do you mean no tile? How do I fix that? Tile set Atlas source has no tile at 29.2. What does that mean? Dungeon! Dungeon! Okay. What we want to do is I want to get the camera for you and you. Do all dragons live in dungeons? Not all dragons live in dungeons. Some live in caves. I live in a house. Alright, next is Nope, not that. Yes. I live in a house. And I think it would be cool to live in my own cave. Caves are expensive. I would have to rent one. Gross. Alright. Let's check X and Y's. Collapse all. Transform -4, 40, 452. I imagine your house is probably on a high mountain with the dragon living down below. That used to be my house. That used to be my house. Unfortunately, it's not anymore. 756. So I'm homeless now? Nah, it's pretty flat now, actually. That's the problem. I'm not a hobo! -969. Does this work? Cross your fingers, chat! Oh. Oh no. That does not work. The layout looks like a person. Yeah, that was a total accident. Okay. What am I missing then? 7. Oh. There we go. Also. Needs to go back to last. The dungeon's a man. A man! Alright. So that's fixed. Let's put you back where you belong. I can see a silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt or lightning, very, very lightning me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Alright. You have to do puzzles. Yes. It cannot be a proper dungeon without some puzzles. But what I am absolutely confused about is where in the world is my collision? Do I need to... Ha! Oh, there we go. Okay, cool, cool, cool. It's these right here, I guess, then. These 3 right here. Okay. This. If a dragon lives in a dungeon with a puzzle trap, does the dragon design it himself or... Ooh, that's a good question. Unfortunately, I only live in a house, so... I cannot answer that question for you. Let's see. I want... this. Like that. And then well, I'm definitely gonna do. Well, I'm gonna change how the dungeon looks. It's not gonna be the main thing. I have keys and I want to use them. But now it should be good when it comes to... I forget. What? That's confusing. Ah, no! I gotta figure out what that's all about. Run! If I kept it and added more rooms, yeah. Where's the door? Aha! Ooh. That looks a little different than the others. It's okay though. Ooh. I think I should probably have the limits be more. Because that's a little weird. Imagine someone going into debug mode and seeing this. Yeah. But here's the thing, it's a one dragon team for this game. So yeah. It's not like they'd be able to see the nonsense right now. Everyone else is seeing the nonsense. So let's see. Doopy-doopy-doo. Why in the world? What's up with this? Oh. Well, it's a beta test for anything goes, as long as it's good and follows my vision. Yes. And sometimes that said vision might change, but that won't be until later. Alright. What? Well, okay. Okay. I guess that makes sense. See, my vision right now is just do stuff. Surprised I got a trophy for my chatter. I'll definitely want to do some more cave design, but don't I find it annoying? I don't know. I'll be back. Well, actually, I kind of want to say, okay, I squashed some bugs, I did some UI, and I'm getting started on cave design and making sure that everything is in tip-top shape for the caves. At least the first dungeon. I'm not sure how many dungeons I'm gonna do, but I think I want to do cave design next time I do game dev. Just a full cave design thing. I'm gonna change the man. I'm gonna change the man next time I do game dev, but I do want to do block bench next Sunday. So, but I will not be doing game dev on Saturday. I'm gonna do baseball. Yes. I will be doing baseball on Saturday, block bench on Sunday. Excuse me. And yeah, it's baseball season. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, my streams for game dev are typically shorter because by the time I would probably wanted to end stream, my brain would have been completely fried. And I also want to, you know, not have it too fried. So yeah, stay safe, have a very good rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!